Welcome to Learning Python with ChatGPT series. In this video we will focus on variable operations and scope. Let's understand basic arithmetic and comparison operations. Now let's focus on logical operations. Please feel free to pause the video whenever you need to focus on specific topic. Now let's dive into string and list operations. These are one of the important topics to focus. Let's move on to tuple and dictionary. Now let's understand conditional ternary operators and type conversions. We are done with variable operations. I hope you are practicing side by side. Let's start with variable scope now, where we will be focusing on global, local, and nested scope. If you like our video, please hit like, share and subscribe our channel to get more such amazing contents.